What's up guys, this is Massey. Welcome to my channel. In this video I want to show you some examples regarding rationalizing the denominator. So we have square roots and we divide square roots and we want to rationalize the denominator. So the first example is square root of 3 over 32, which is square root of 3 divided by square root of 32. And then you can simplify it. 32 is 16 times 2, which is root 3, for root 2. Then in order to rationalize it, we need to multiply and divide it by root 2. It's going to be root 6 divided by 4 times 2, which is 8. Root 6 divided by 8. Next example is root 11 over 28. Answer is root 11 over root 28. 28 is root 4 times root 7. Root 4 is 2 root 7. And when you want to rationalize it, you multiply and divide it by square root of 7. So that will be root 77 divided by 2 times 7, which is 14. Next example is root 3 over 27. Answer is root 3 divided by root 27. Root 3. 27 is root 3 times root 9. These two cancel out. It's going to be 1 over root 9. Root 9 is 3, so it's going to be 1 over 3. Next example, we have root 10 over 50. Answer is root 10 over 50. 10 over, then you simplify it. It's going to be 1 over 5, which is going to be 1 over root 5. And then you need to multiply it and divide it by root 5. So it's going to be root 5 over just 5. This is the final answer. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment if you have any question and I get back to you as soon as possible. And please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you.